Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to check your block list in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Let's open up our TikTok app first. Let's go. And let's pause the video. Even I think it's an awesome one. Now to get to your block list, you must first go to your profile first. You can see the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. To go to your profile, just tap there, and after that you can see the tree line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the tick settings and privacy option appear over here. Just tap there, and after that you can see the privacy option over here, which is the second one. Just tap there. And after that, in order to see your blocked persons list, you need to scroll a little bit down like this, and it's the second last option under the category safety. Just tap there. You can see the blocked accounts in here, and you can see these are all the accounts I have blocked in my TikTok. So if you want to unblock them, you can directly unblock them like this. And there guys, checking your block list in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.